Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Selle. Today's video is pantry organization and fridge organization. I am going to clean, organize, and restock it. I hope this video will give you some motivation to get up and tackle your own to-do list today. Let's do this! So here is my pantry situation before I start organizing it. I don't think it's too bad, but it's starting to get out of control, so I'm gonna come here and refill all the empty containers, wash them too before I refill them, and then the very bottom, all the chips are just thrown in there after we do grocery shopping, so that's my bad. So I'm gonna organize that today and get it together. Also, some of the food that are already stale and all the crumbs that's just left in the empty container, I'm gonna throw that away. And like I said, I'm gonna wash some of the container that needs to get washed. I'm going to wipe down the shelf because it's been a while since I got in here and really organize and check everything. So that's what I'm going to do today, and also check expiration dates. If you haven't seen the first time I organized this pantry, I will link that video in the description box below. Please check it out if you want more organization videos like this. I'm using Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner in the scent honeysuckle to wipe down my pantry shelf and also the pantry door that's full of handprints. Let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite cleaner, because this has been my favorite and my go-to these past few months because it smells so good and it makes my cleaning a little bit more enjoyable. I'm also wiping the containers with food in them with just cleaning cloth and warm water. And since I'm using chalkboard, some of the signs has faded, so I'm just rewriting them here. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. I would really love it if you subscribe and join my YouTube family for realistic cleaning motivation, satisfying home organization, grocery hauls, and a little bit of mom life. I upload new video every single week. And if you are a returning subscriber, friends and family, you are awesome, and I want to thank you for your continued support to my channel. All of these canister that I'm using here are either from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, or Walmart. I did get questions from my older pantry organization video if these containers keeps my food fresh, and in my opinion, it does. It tastes just like it is the first time I opened it. I don't notice anything different. And also, I don't put them in the dishwasher. I do hand wash them every time I need to wash them, and every time I have to refill it, if I don't wash them, I at least do wipe down outside of it because of all the prints with just my cleaning cloth and warm water. The small white baskets that I'm using here are from the Dollar Tree, and these large ones are from Walmart. I like to use chalkboard signs for my pantry because I don't put the same food in the same container or basket all the time. Sometimes we like to switch up our food to try something different, so this way I can just erase what's on the sign and write what I put in there instead. It's just a lot easier for me this way. I don't know if you noticed, but if you did, I do not have my canned goods here. I do have them in a different cabinet in my kitchen because I do have a lot of them and I don't have a lot of space in here. So if you haven't seen my kitchen organization video and you like this one so far, I think you would like that one as well. So I will link that in the description box below. So please check it out after you watch this one. Moving on to the other side of the kitchen, I am using these drawers as part of our pantry because we don't have enough space in there. So we have our like granola bar here, other snacks like crackers and cookies. I like using contact paper as a drawer liner. It's a little bit cheaper. I got this one from Target and I really love this design. It's not just plain white, it has like some marble style in them, and I think it makes the drawer or the cabinet looks brighter. Down here is a bunch of candies that are mixed with candy wrappers. So I am separating the candies that are still audible and the trash. And when I say trash, I mean just like empty wrappers. On the very bottom, once again, a bunch of candies. These are left over from my son's birthday. As you see, they're still in the goodie bags. Also, some reusable bags and some other home decor that are not supposed to be in here, but it's here. So we are cleaning that today. Moving on to my fridge, I am just gonna quickly wipe down the shelf, and also definitely need some restocking here and checking expiration dates of the leftovers and other food. I'm using my water vinegar mix to wipe down the shelf. This is the only thing I use in here. I don't like chemical in my fridge near my food that's already opened. So this is the only thing that I feel like it's safe to use around the open food. I like to switch up every time I organize my fridge or my pantry. If it doesn't work the first time, I switch it to a different way or area where I think it's gonna work. And if it doesn't work that way again, then next time I clean it and organize it, I switch it again. I think that's just how it is. You find what works for you, and if it doesn't, then you just change it up. All the clear container that I'm using in my fridge are either from Walmart or TJ Maxx. I get a lot of questions where are my eggs container are from. It's from Walmart, and I can't find them online, but I did buy mine in store. This new glass container for the milk, I did recently just pick this up from Amazon online, and I am loving this, guys. It makes my milk super cold. Not that it's not cold in the bottle or the plastic bottle, it is, but this one like makes it super cold, like super cold, and it does taste long. I have this for about a month now, and I really love it. Like I said, it doesn't make my milk go bad fast, and I think it's a really good quality kind of glass. We don't buy a lot of produce or vegetables because, as I mentioned from my other video, they do tend to go bad before we use them, so I usually just go buy them when we need them. We also save money that way. After cleaning, organizing, and restocking inside my fridge, here I am just gonna quickly wipe down the outside with my Weiman stainless steel cleaner and polisher. This is my favorite so far that I have found. I use this for my wood furniture and all my stainless steel appliances, guys. This works so good. The scent is not my favorite, to be honest with you, but I don't hate it. It's just not my favorite. But it works so good. It makes everything, all my stainless steel appliances, including my wood furniture, looking super shiny and sparkly. I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home or your to-do list, and that you get some ideas on how to organize your own pantry or kitchen cabinet and fridge. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, as it helps my channel and lets me know what kind of video you like the most from me. Comment down below and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free, and turn the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching and spending time with me. I truly appreciate you, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!